this is what I got for my spices, and I need to work on it quickly because my whole house has been smelling of spices, and I don't know whether I should even like put on some gloves because they are causing some sniffing effect. So did I say it's not sniffing but sneezing? Oh goodness. So the first thing I got, and I'll just take them as they are arranged, no order. This is in the shop, is in town, and I will tell you where it is. So please just keep here, and let me take you through the prices so that you can compare, especially if you buy spices in bulk. I've had people talk of buying them in Italy. I have not done that myself, and over time I have known of this shop that sells these spices, but I've never gone to it. Sometimes I would send even my hubby to get something from there because I know they have better and they have good prices, but I've never gone myself. So yesterday I was on a mission, guys. So I went and I found the shop, and I was able to just view how things are done there, and I was comfortable and happy with their services. So the first thing I got, which I am holding here, these are dates. These dates are packed in, okay, I have my price list here. This is what I listed for them I want to buy. Then there's a lady who is sort of like a salesperson who writes down the prices for you per the quantities you want, so that even before they start measuring anything, you are comfortable with the price that they are going to give you at the end of it. You understand that kind of business? Yeah. So these dates were going for 200 shillings, and this is half a kg. I think it's okay. Yeah. And then we have thyme. Thyme is bulky, and yet this is just 200 grams because it was not heavy, and the thyme costed me 360 shillings for the 200 grams, which I think is such a fair deal. If you see the other containers that I was showing you here from the supermarket and you compare those prices, you'll just be shocked. I got sunflower. I really miss sunflower. The sunflower pack is 100 grams, and I got it for 200 shillings. Same, I think there's one I buy from Carrefour, and it is almost same price. Cinnamon powder, I bought 200 grams, and it's also 200 shillings. So you're going to hear a lot of 200 grams and 200 shillings here, but just flow with the video. Then I have garam masala. Garam masala, I took a quarter kg, that's 250 grams, and they sold it to me at 150. Then I have desiccated coconut here, and this was also bulky. I bought half a kg because I want to use it for something which I will be showing you very soon. And this is also something else that is in half a kg. These are mixed fruits. These are dried fruits, yeah, dried mixed fruits. Mostly they are like the sultanas and a few dried fruits. Half a kg was going for 325. I got cardamom. Cardamom is so expensive, and that has been the price because for 200 grams the price is 500 shillings. Try buying this small pack we buy in the supermarket, and you just see the price for yourself. Okay, then I have black pepper. This one is a matter of sneezing, not sniffing. Yeah, this one, if I open, everything here will be just making us sneeze. So I got a quarter kg because I use a lot of it for 300 shillings. When I say a quarter, just know it, 250 grams. Then I have cumin powder. I didn't need much. These are 100 grams. And the price was 100 shillings. Then I have onion powder. Onion powder costed me 200 shillings for 200 grams, 200 shillings. And then after that, you notice the package starts changing. Let me finish the brown ones. These are sultanas, or what we call raisins, and they were being sold for raisins for 300 for half a kg. Yes, there's something else here. And these are cashew nuts. Cashew nuts, 1800 per kg. I got half a kg for 900 shillings. Then we have pilau masala. Pilau masala costed me 150 for a quarter. This is a quarter. Paprika costed me 300 shillings for a quarter. I also got brown sugar, which is named sugar molasses, and it's used mainly in baking and doing such stuff, and it was 300 shillings for this 1 kg, which is a fair deal. Now I have this baking powder that I got from there. It's by Zesta. I got it at 120 shillings. And I also have this vanilla flavor that I got it from the same shop. It's by Pradeep. This is among the best brands you will find of vanilla essence or flavors. Pradeep is a very old company, well established by guys who have done this business for so long. So of all the vanilla essences I have tried, this is what I would recommend. You guys, you've seen that we bake a lot in this kitchen, and we also do some other stuff using vanilla, and especially where you want to have your vanilla more like raw, like not well cooked. This gives you the best flavor, like for yogurts, for something like that. So I wish Pradeep would pay me to do this, but it's all right. You guys just pick that recommendation. Out of all the things that I had written in my list, the only thing that I did not get was peanut ground nuts, but it's okay because there's somewhere else I can source them for. So I want now to start packing these goodies in the bottles that we got, and you will do this with me. So in this, the jars are ready. They are already washed, dried, and patted off all the water. The 5 I showed you earlier, these 5 are also in the batch I got. You will see new ones. This one here, this one here, and this whole row are recycled. These ones I bought with these other ones. These are recycled. Guys, I am the queen of repurposing. This other set, which you'll see here, is not new. This set has been here for the longest, and they were to do some work that never took off or kicked off, and I've just been keeping them aside. They were 12 in total, but I don't know where the 3 are. These are 9 in total, and this is what I'm going to use to store the spices that I use on a regular basis. So this and these are mostly going to be used for that. Then I will show you what we will use for the rest. So let's
blinking. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for a million you go, I'll go. Winter or summer, I don't care, the seasons change.
So the shop where I got these spices is called Pantry. It is along the lower side of town near Globe. If you know Roast House, you'll just like cross the intersection that is there. There's something like a T junction, and if you ask anyone there for Pantry, the shop that sells spices, you won't miss it. They also have an online presence, so you can get their contacts there and get the specific directions.
Fantasy, somewhere in between, somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care, the seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love.